Hello everyone, I am Naima Nusrat from Ira Construction, Bangladesh. Ira Construction mainly focusing on utility business in Bangladesh, and we have long-time collaboration with ABB Nasik team. In fact, we visited ABB Nasik factory and it was a very good factory with all types of testing facilities. With Nasik factory, we completed two big milestone project in Bangladesh. Karnafuli Tunnel project it was, and we completed the project very smoothly. We procured 33 kV OVCB, 11 kV switchgear from Nasik factory and 33 kV CRP panel from ABB India. They supplied this product timely and we executed this project very smoothly. As per previous experience with ABB Nasik team, we are very interested to do work with Nasik team in near future. And that's all. I wish a very good luck to Nasik team. Thank you.